Plastic extrusion machine. Presentation.
Plastic extrusion, also known as plasticating extrusion, is a continuous high-volume manufacturing process in which a thermoplastic material in the form of powder, pellets, or granulates is homogeneously melted and then pressed out of a shaping die. In screw extrusion, the pressure comes from the screw rotation against the barrel wall. As the plastic melt passes through the die, it acquires the die hole shape and leaves the extruder. The extruded product is called an extrudate. A typical extruder consists of 4 zones: feed zone, compression zone or transition zone, mixing zone, metering zone. Basic screw extrusion process to improve product quality and processability. The stored polymeric feed is mixed with various additives such as stabilizers for heat, oxidative stability, UV stability, etc., color pigments, flame retardants, fillers, lubricants, reinforcements, and so on prior to the main extrusion process. Mixing polymers with additives also help achieve the target property profile specifications. Types of extruders: continuous extruder, discontinuous extruders, screw extruders, disc or drum extruders, single screw extruders, twin screw extruders, multi-screw extruder, elastic melt extruder, extruder with a single ram, multi-ram extruder. Extrusion coating and lamination. Extrusion coating is done by protecting a substrate using a polymer. Coating material with a polymer improves the product quality, including the heat sealability of packaging, tear and crease resistance, appearance, chemical resistance, and printing ability. Common materials coated with plastic are paper, polyester, metal foils, cellophane, paperboard, cloth, and other plastics. Extrusion coating and lamination have a wide range of applications in dairy packaging, juice cartons, carpet coating and backing, frozen food containers, oven-safe paperboard trays, heat sealing layers used in general packaging, etc. Consistency and quality. When plastics are extruded, the plastic extrusion process laid out very simply is easy to understand. Internally, there are lots of intelligent systems in place to ensure you get the high quality product you need when extruding plastic. For example, with temperature playing such a key role in creating extruded plastic products, this must be carefully regulated. It needs to stay at the correct level to ensure a reliable and effective melting rate that gets the job done without compromising the integrity and quality of the end result. Similarly, the primary moving parts of the extrusion machine are the screws, which feed the raw materials through the mechanism for extruding plastic. Therefore, these screws' length and diameter must be precision engineered and carefully calculated. This will ensure the correct melting rate, and this is decided by the type of raw materials and what needs to be done to maintain uniformity across all products. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipments and also factors of transit and insurance, finding correct vendor who is fit for the needs in all commercial and technical field. We work in the professional nature to fulfill the supply on right time with to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with the clients. Ensure the manufacturing department to get the supply without delay. Taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors. Evaluating, selecting, auditing the vendor as per requirements of customer with various vendors of same specifications and maintaining the quality standards. We would get the suppliers on board at genuine price. Contact us as given below, address and reach on our website and social media. Subscribe our channel and share on social networks.